It's like baking with Martha Stewart and Snoop here. Look!
Oh,
holy, yeah. Holy! Do you know what this is?
I have no idea.
I'm going to be brutally honest, folks. I haven't developed film by hand in maybe genuinely 28 years. So this is going to be fun. But the film Lamont shot the other day, we're going to dev it.
Yes. Hella hype.
I feel nervous about it because if we mess it up, these images are gone.
Okay, well, no pressure.
No pressure.
I believe in you. I believe in us, but I believe in you because you know what you're doing. I'm just following.
We are at the Penumbra Foundation today, who have very kindly lent us a sync and some developing stuff, so we can develop that film that you shot. The next bit I'm going to do, which is the first bit, is you have to load the film onto these reels. But the problem with it is you would have to do it in pitch
black?
Correct.
Jesus.
So this is a roll of film that's just wasted. It was no good for anyone. But this next little process we're going to show you has to be done in the pitch black. So you're going to unwind it from there, and then you're going to rip this off. So this is now your film. This film's pretty old, so, you know, but the next thing you got to do, right, is in the pitch black, you have to take this and you have to somehow get it in here and in here, okay? And then you pull it along till it's past these points, and then I put and then this is going to be, as I say, I used to do this all the time.
And all of this is in pitch black.
All of this is in the pitch black.
Okay. Wow.
After you've done that, you get this on the reel, right? So as you can see, it's all open to development on. It's not touching. Now, genuinely, I'm not going to make you do this.
Okay, thank you.
Because it's, you know, honestly, I want these pictures.
I want these pictures too.
I'm not sure I can do it.
Okay.
So we'll turn the lights off. I think we might keep the audio rolling just for sheer fun. But I'm going to load up this with film. All right. So first roll of film, Lamont. I have it in my hand.
Okay.
I'm going to peel that paper bit. I'm trying to remember how to peel. Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Okay. It looks like I am unrolling.
All right.
I have got film.
Cool. Yo,
I have film in my hand.
That's perfect. Yo, I can't even see it, but it sounds impressive.
You hear that?
Yeah.
That's a good sign. Oh, wow. One on.
Ooh. You guys can't see it, but he did that perfectly. One shot.
Okay, I've lost the other roll. No, I haven't. Here it is. All right, I'm going to open up this other roll. And then if I can get the second one on as easy as the first one, it will be hallelujah.
Oh, yeah. This is...
And I'm going to turn on the light.
Oh, God. That was bright.
I'm kind of like, you know, for stage one, that was pretty good.
For stage one, yes. Yeah. So, it's in there.
It's in there.
Yeah, we got one more of these to go.
Next thing we're going to do is get the developer ready and develop some film.
Okay, this
Cool.
is crazy. Our producer, Jake, gave me some gloves. Why don't you have gloves?
I've never worn gloves ever.
Okay.
And I don't feel confident with the gloves on.
Okay, cool. Well, I just have them going for show, so.
No, you're going to be doing some agitating.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, step back.
All right, I'm taking a step back.
All right, so digitaltruth.com is a brilliant website if you're looking up your chemical mixes. I'm not going to get super technical today, but we're using HC110. We're going to use dilution E. Our film speed is 400 ISO, which gives our minute count at 7.5. Now, from my old days, over is better than under. So I think we're going to do 8.5.
Got it.
All right. 20 degrees C, which we are actually at, which is beautiful. and there's notes, but I'm not going to read them in case they scare me.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to mix our concentrate first. It recommends dilution is 1 to 47. I'm going to do 1 to 49
Okay, and...
because I can't do math.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Fair enough.
All right, so here's what we're going to do first. Now, if you have a room like this, you can honestly make crack cocaine.
I'm not
Might
surprised.
be similar chemicals.
This is... Yo, I really feel like I'm with Walter White right now.
It's like baking with Martha Stewart and Snoop here. I'll be Snoop.
Of course. What's funny is only one of them went to jail. It's not the one you think.
Yeah, it's funny. Yeah. I apologize to anyone for these darkroom practices. I'm sure there's better ways of doing it, but you know what? Needs must.
Yeah.
All right, that's mixed up. All right, so I'm going to take the cap off. We know this is a cap because it says cap on it.
Oh, that's how you spell it? C-A-P, guys.
Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to fill it with developer.
Yeah, this is the sound of hard work.
And we're going to set a clock for 8.5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to show you what you have to do now. You have to do something called agitation.
Okay.
So pretend you're dealing with your mother or somebody you don't, you know. You're going to pick this up.
Yeah.
Okay, and the way we do it is a flat hand on the bottom and a flat hand on the top. And just twist and turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So.
Is that 7? 8, 9, 10. All right, so we're going to do that every minute. So the next minute, so you.
Okay.
When you agitate the film, what it's actually doing is moving the chemical around on the film. So if it's been sitting flat, then one little piece of chemical is working on that little bit of film. And then that, you know, the chemical runs out. If it's a highlight, it's going to use a lot more of it. Or a shadow, can't remember. So you want to keep mixing it so every part of the film gets an even amount of the chemical. Go. All right, so yeah, 4 or 5 times, nice and gently.
1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5.
I'll put it down.
Okay.
Give it a tap, get the air out the top when you put it down.
Okay.
Yeah, or you can give it a tap like that.
Ah.
Get all the air bubbles out.
Okay, see, I'm one of those people that I'm very, just deal with any type of technology or something, it's like, no, I'm going to take care of it. This whole process has been rough. Like that film camera you got to beat up. This you got to beat up. This is like a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah, no, but I think that this is a cool experience that I feel like anyone who's quite interested in this process should at least try once.
I've tried a lot of things once.
A lot of things work?
Once. Cool. So I'm going to mix up some fixer. You smell that fixer?
Oh yeah, it smells oddly good.
Well, it smells good for the first 3 years, and then you start like getting a headache as soon as you get in the darkroom. How are we doing on the agitators?
We're doing it every minute.
We're agitating nicely.
Oh yes, my mom would be so proud.
All right, our timer is up. I'm going to take our film in the tank, and I'm going to pour out the developer.
I like that.
And this is a stop bath that I've prepared with Ilfo stop. I pour that in. And this is basically going to stop the film from developing anymore, in theory. I'm just going to give it a quick edge.
Okay.
If you want my body.
I was in there with
You were going there.
I was going there.
I know. I saw that. It was a beautiful thing. All right, so stop bath done. So in theory, the film has stopped.
Oh, that's really quick.
We are ready for our final chemical, which is the fixer.
Let's go.
fixer's in.
Yeah.
And I want you to do some agitation. Flowers. I like the daffodils. All right, it's going to take 3.5 minutes for this fixer. You can stop if you want, but I kind of like watching you do.
This is kind of like a nice little workout. I didn't go to the gym today, so this is it.
All right, bud, so that is the fixer. We have another couple of minutes left on it.
Okay.
And then I got a little bit of bad news.
What's the bad news?
You got to wash it.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
How long do you think that takes?
Probably like, what, 2 minutes? 3, 5? How long?
20.
20?
But we don't have to watch it or anything.
Okay, so we just leave it
We
there.
can go get a cup of coffee.
Okay,
let it
cool.
wash.
All right.
Cool. Okay, so next we're just going to do this wash. I'm going to take this cap off, empty out our fixer. You know, if we were really smart,
What's up?
if we were smart, we would have done 1 roll first and 2 later. Alright, see, and you see how that fits perfectly in there?
Yeah.
So what happens is all the clean water goes in, it fills up, and it's going to come out these sides. So we get a constant flow of water through it.
Cool, and this is just for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Great. We're going to watch this for all 20 minutes, people.
This is it.
All right.
Developer done, stop bath done, fixer done. The one thing I forgot to mention before is this is a tray of water with a couple of drops of photo flow that helps your film dry. But now is the time to see what we got.
Let's go.
Twist that off. Okay. Roll your sleeves, man. No, I'm not letting you get that shit on your jacket. I'll do it.
That's okay.
Okay, so here we are. What do you see?
Just darkness. Oh, wait.
Oh,
I see
wait.
a little something. Oh, okay. I see a
Whoa,
little something.
whoa.
Let's go. All right.
Whoa.
Fire. Yeah, I couldn't make it out, but no, I see my pictures. Let's go. This is sick. Oh, yeah. Oh.
There you go. You got film.
Hell yeah.
Look, develop looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. But sharpness. But develop looks good.
Hey.
Hey!
I'm just trying to,
You
channel
got
my
pictures,
inner.
man.
I know.
I
I'm
did
trying to channel my inner Mark Mann level of sharpness.
Alright, so this is literally photo flow, which helps the film dry.
Yeah.
And you can see really nicely exposed
Yeah, you
pictures. Really nice. Alright, I'm not sure if we're allowed to do that anymore, but that's what we're going to do. Alright, buddy, last one, man. Very, very cool.
Yes.
So, a couple of things. I'm really, really happy because the images come out, but also it's the first film that's been shot with that camera since I owned it.
That's so sick.
And I don't know if you're not going to be able to see. Can you guys see this? So our negatives are looking really, really good. Man, beautiful.
Mark, you.
Printing is the most exciting thing, though.
Yeah.
Printing is really
Oh,
exciting.
I'm looking forward to that.
Are you
part.
actually speechless?
I actually am. No, because you get a whole different other type of appreciation from actually having to see your images be created. What you did in that dark room was incredible. I'm telling you, people, Hagrid's gonna come around this corner and give Mark his invitation to Hogwarts. That was some wizardry.
Listen, super quick. That was amazingly fun for me. And I'm on a bit of a high. I don't know if it's the chemicals or whatever.
Whatever that one
But
was.
to actually see negatives you made is super, super exciting. Massive thank you to the Penumbra Foundation. We're going to put all their links up. It's a place in New York City that you can still do this. Amazing people. Thank you so much to them. Lamont, I'll see you in the dark room.
Oh, hell yeah.
Bye.